Hey everyone, Joffrey here, welcome back to the channel. Today, we dive deep into the latest flagship from Xiaomi, the Xiaomi 14T Pro. With top-tier performance, a pro-level camera, and a sleek design, this device is a serious contender in the high-end smartphone market. Let's find out what makes the 14T Pro stands out. But before that, if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe and click that bell icon so you don't miss all my latest gadget reviews. Let's get started. Starting with the design, Xiaomi has gone with a premium feel. The Xiaomi 14T Pro comes with a sturdy aluminum frame sandwiched between a matte finish glass back and an in-house dragon crystal glass front for extra durability and protection. Available in a range of colors, it not only looks luxurious but feels robust in hand too. At just 8.4mm, it's quite thick though, but not compromising on build quality. The 14T Pro is IP68 water and dust resistant, so you don't need to worry about accidental spill or dust exposure. In terms of the display, the Xiaomi 14T Pro features a stunning 6.67-inch AMOLED display with a 144Hz refresh rate and 1220x27 12-pixel resolution. This results in a smooth scrolling, vibrant colors, and a crisp detail. Whether you're binge watching Netflix or gaming on the go, the display is a visual treat. It also boasts up to 4000 nits peak brightness, meaning outdoor visibility is top-notch even in direct sunlight. The HDR10 Plus and Dolby Vision support adds rich contrast and vivid details to videos, taking your media consumption experience to the next level. Now under the hood, the Xiaomi 14T Pro is powered by the latest MediaTek Dimensity 9300 Plus, a 4nm processor with a clock speed of octa-core 3.4 GHz. Paired with up to 16GB of RAM and 512GB of UFS 4.0 internal storage. This results in lightning fast performance for multitasking, gaming, and productivity. Whether you're jumping between apps or playing demanding games, the Xiaomi 14T Pro handles everything with ease. And with Xiaomi's advanced cooling system, you don't have to worry about overheating during extended sessions. One of the standout features of the Xiaomi 14T Pro is its impressive camera system. The device is equipped with 50MP primary sensor, paired with 12MP ultra-wide and 50MP telephoto lens with 3x optical zoom. Photos taken with the main sensor are sharp, detailed, and vibrant, even in low light conditions, thanks to the improved night mode. The telephoto lens is excellent for zoom shots, and ultra-wide captures expansive landscape without distortion. For video enthusiasts, the 14T Pro supports up to 4K video 30 frames per second recording with impressive stabilization. Whether you're shooting for social media or creating professional level content, this phone is more than capable. Powering the Xiaomi 14T Pro is a large 5000 mAh battery, providing all the usage with ease, even with heavy use. You can comfortably get through a full day of work, gaming, or media consumption without reaching for the charger. And when you do need to charge, Xiaomi's 120 watts fast charging gets you from 0 to 100% in just about 20 minutes. Wireless charging also supported at 50 watts, 0 to 100% in just 45 minutes, offering more convenient charging options. Running on HyperOS 1.0 based on Android 14, the Xiaomi 14T Pro offers a highly customizable experience. You get an array of features like enhanced privacy options, a smoother UI, and useful multitasking tools. From split screen, multitasking, to the new privacy features that block unwanted tracking, Xiaomi's software brings a modern, intuitive experience to complement the hardware. Now in conclusion, the Xiaomi 14T Pro is a powerful flagship device that ticks all the right boxes. With outstanding camera, blazing fast performance, an immersive display, and rapid charging. If you're looking for a premium smartphone experience, the Xiaomi 14T Pro should definitely be on your radar. So what do you think of the Xiaomi's latest flagship? Let us know in the comments below. And if you like this review, be sure to like, subscribe, and follow for more exciting tech reviews like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.